For the course, Introduction to TCP/IP, this course is about the TCP/IP protocol. First, we'll study about the OSI and the TCP/IP models. Now, comparing the OSI 7-layer model and the TCP/IP 5-layer model, you can see their layer structures over there. And in the OSI 7-layer model, it has the application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and the physical layer at the bottom. In the TCP/IP 5-layer model, you can see the application layer, transport layer, internet layer, network access layer, and the physical layer at the bottom. And corresponding to the TCP/IP 5-layer model, you can see the following functions that are connected. Now, first, at the application layer, you can see Telnet, FTP, SMTP, DNS, and others. Then at the transport layer, you can see TCP and UDP. At the internet layer, you can see IP, which is the IPv4 and IPv6, which we use now these days. Then at the network access layer down here, you can see Ethernet and other protocols, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then at the physical layer, you can see the physical connectivity interface requirements standardized there at the lowest layer. Now let's look into the OSI 7-layer model. Here, this model is used to characterize and standardize communication functions of a telecommunication or computing system. The OSI stands for the Open System Interconnection. The original model was released in 1983 under the name of the Basic Reference Model. Then it was standardized in 1984 as the ISO 7498 standards. Currently, it is under the ITU-T standards, which is numbered under X.200. Here, the ITU-T stands for the International Telecommunication Union, Telecommunications Standardization Sector. Now, for the TCP/IP 5-layer model, it's a simpler model compared to the OSI 7-layer model. And it was developed for the United States Department of Defense packet switching network called ARPANET. And therefore, it's also called the DoD model. Now, the ARPANET planning initiated in 1968, and it was used and it was decommissioned in 1990. It was declared as the United States Department of Defense standard for all military computer networking in 1982, and it was widely used. Currently, it's maintained by the IETF under the IAB.